Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add error bars in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to add error bars, so what you have to do, here you will see I have a group 1 and group 2 to data. Okay, and I want to add error bars in this. So first here you will see average and standard deviation options. So first we will create a graph using average. Okay, so to find out or calculate average of group 1, what you have to do, just equals to average. Okay, then select all the data, bracket close, and enter. So this is the average of this group 1, and for group 2 you can just copy this. So this is the average of group 2. Okay, now we will find out standard deviation. For standard deviation equals to STDEV. Okay, then select all the data in group 1, close, and then we will copy this to this cell also. Okay, so this is the average and this is standard deviation. Now we will make a graph, okay, using average. So select both cells, okay, of average, then go to insert. Here you will see graph. Now select 2D column. Okay, this. Now we will resize it. Okay, now we will add error bars. Okay, for error bars, what you have to do, just select the chart. Here you will see add chart. Okay, then add chart label, then here you will see error bars. Go to standard error. Okay, now here you will see this is the bar. Okay, this is error bar. Now we will just select. Okay, double click on it, and then here you will see the options. Direction, you can choose the direction, both, minus, plus, or and style. Okay, and then error amount, you can choose all this. We will choose for the custom. Okay, just click on custom, then specify value. Again in positive error value, just click on it, then select standard deviations, both. Okay, both cell, click on enter, then again on negative. Now here in negative value, you have to choose again standard deviation. Okay, click on OK. Oh, again I have to clear all this. Okay, then again now what you have to do is just choose this standard deviation, both cells. Okay, now click on OK. So like this you can add bar, error bar in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Excel or Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook. So thank you for watching.